Tip Set 3, Machining from 4-axis. In this third set of tips, you'll be shown what is possible if you machine your car from 4 axes instead of the usual 2 or 3. With standard 2-axis machining, the car is cut from the F1 in School's foam block on 2 sides. The block is rotated after it has been cut on one side to then cut on the other. As the cutting tool cannot bend, areas on the top and underneath of the car are impossible to cut using this method. One way to think of what is possible is if you cannot see the part you wish to cut from the side, it isn't possible. It is, however, possible to cut the car from above and underneath by rotating the block at 90-degree intervals. This opens up more possibilities with the design of your car. It allows cuts directly into the face of the body that you wouldn't see or be able to cut from the side. It also allows side pods to be different shapes, as you wouldn't be able to get them from the 2-axis method. The underneath of the car can also be used creatively. You can draw a sketch and extrude using push and pull. You can channel the air under the side pods in a range of ways. You could also alter the tether line slot. The possibilities are literally endless. When planning your design for 4-axis methods, it's important to think of how your model will be held in the milling machine. Once you've sorted that out, you can better understand your design constraints.